I'm at Laser World of Photonics and I'm at the IPG booth. This is the market leader for high power and fiber lasers, and they have brought together a new solution for laser welding. Thank you very much for having me. Ralf, what did you bring to Laser World of Photonics 2025?
Yeah, we bring here the new 2000 watt Lightweld system. It's the newest version of the Lightweld group. 2000 watt single mode laser allows us to weld steel, stainless steel up to 8mm thickness, aluminium 5-6mm, and also copper up to 3mm thickness.
8mm thickness of aluminium. This is huge.
Yeah.
I'm sure you're getting lots of interest on the event. For me, this is one of the highlights of the Laser World of Photonics this year.
Oh, thank you.
Why now?
The market see now the big potential of handheld welding and want to or ask to more and more to go to a thicker material, higher speed for more economy. That's why this is now.
Very customized, advanced, very rapid prototyping and high-scale manufacturing.
Yes.
What's next?
What's next? Yeah, we are here. The next reliable that we are able to have a Cobot or robot system to use this Lightweld handheld system as an automated system. And you have a very cheap system for laser welding with wire.
Ralf Raimann, 8mm thickness of aluminium being welded with a handheld laser. This is what IPG has done, one of the highlights of Laser World of Photonics 2025. Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you too.
For those of you who are coming to the Global Photonics Economic Forum, remember the CEO of IPG, Mark Gitting, will be one of the panelists. See you in Malaga. Bye-bye.
Thanks.